How's it going, guys? Kyle with Cobalt here, and today I am bringing you an exclusive first look and unboxing of this. This is the Cobalt Aquatics Neotherm Pro aquarium heater. It is the next step in our award-winning Neotherm aquarium heater line, packed full of all sorts of new technology. Now before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to see more videos like this, store tours, how-tos, and other instructional videos. Let's dive right in. So this is the brand new Cobalt Aquatics Neotherm Pro aquarium heater. Like the award-winning Neotherm before it, it shares the same resin-filled shatterproof casing and ultra-slim design that'll fit just about anywhere you can put it. Changes for this include the button placement. It has moved from the top of the heater to the front of the dial to make it easier to push and to prevent you from accidentally changing your temperature when adjusting the heater in your tank. But the real magic of the Neotherm Pro is what's changed on the inside of the heater. Using brand new state-of-the-art thermoregulation technology, the Neotherm Pro is actually able to adjust its wattage based on what your tank needs. Traditional aquarium heaters have two modes, on and off. That means if your aquarium needs heated, it turns on at its maximum wattage, and when you don't need heat, it turns itself off. This can lead to spikes in temperature throughout the course of the day, where that heater will turn on at its maximum wattage, raise your water temperature, and then turn off, and it will gradually increase, decrease, increase, decrease as the day goes on. The thermoregulation technology inside the new control board on the Neotherm Pro prevents that. It allows the Neotherm to adjust its wattage all the way down to 10% of what it should have. What that means is that if your aquarium only needs a little bit of heat, it'll adjust itself to a lower wattage to only provide a small amount of heat. If something happens, like a window's left open or a draft comes through the room and your tank drops, the heater will ramp up its wattage to increase the amount of heat in your aquarium and bring it back up to temperature quicker. What this means is a much more stable aquarium temperature throughout the course of the day and up to a 90% savings on energy bills versus a traditional aquarium heater. This is the 100-watt model of the Cobalt Aquatics Neotherm Pro. However, they are available in sizes from 25 watts through 200 watts to fit your aquarium needs. The Neotherm Pro is suitable for freshwater and saltwater aquarium, including planted and reef aquaria. It is also suitable for use in terrariums where other heaters may not be applicable. The Neotherm Pro features a 2-year warranty and is manufactured in Poland. Now let's take a look and see what we get inside the box. So inside the box we have the heater, the instruction manual, the mounting bracket, and the 2 suction cups for the mounting bracket. First things first, you always want to read your instruction manual carefully. It contains all of the safety information that you will need to properly install this heater. Make sure you pay attention to how the heater should be oriented. It can go horizontal or vertical in the aquarium. However, it is very important to make sure that no part of the heater sticks outside the water. This is a fully submersible heater and it should be underwater at all times. Now, to get everything ready for installation, the first thing we do is we take our bracket and we take our suction cups. Now the suction cups fit into this little slot here. They'll go in one way and then you'll turn them to lock them in place like so. Once that's in and turned and locked, we put in the second suction cup, just like this. And now we're ready to install the bracket on our heater. To do that, we take the heater out of its cardboard sleeve. And this bracket is actually reversible. It can go on this direction or this direction, whichever makes mounting easier in your aquarium. All you do is you slide it on, push it up till you hear the click, and you're ready to go. Now it can be mounted safely in your aquarium. Let's go do that now. To install our Cobalt Aquatics Neotherm Pro heater, we must first pick a spot that is appropriate for the heater. The heater needs to be in a spot that is clean and free of any algae or debris, and in an area where there is adequate water flow. Having water flow ensures that the heat from the heater gets dispersed across the aquarium. In the case of our tank here, we're going to install it on the left-hand side. All you need to do is submerge the heater and give it a gentle push to attach the suction cups to the back glass. It is important when installing your heater that it is fully submerged underwater. Once the Neotherm Pro has been submerged for 10 minutes, it's time to plug it in. As with any aquarium appliance, make sure you create a drip loop in your cord when plugging it in. Once powered on, you will see a series of LEDs flash across the front of the Neotherm Pro. The solid LED indicates the set temp of the heater, while the flashing LED indicates the water temperature. As you can see in our tank here, the water is 74 degrees, heating up to a set temp of 78. In order to set the aquarium temperature, all you do is press the button in the center of the dial. Every press will increase your temperature by 2 degrees. Once you're at the temperature you want, simply let go of the button and the heater will start heating to the desired temperature. And there we go, guys. That's everything you need to know about the brand new Cobalt Aquatics NeoTherm Pro aquarium heater, the most advanced aquarium heater in the world today. To learn more about this or any other Cobalt Aquatics products, please visit our website, www.cobaltaquatics.com, or follow us on Facebook and Instagram.